If you drive through it too fast, you might just miss it. But if you do miss it, you're really missing out. It's Sioux City's historic 4th Street district. This 2-block area is packed full of amazing architecture. 15 commercial buildings dating from 1889 through 1915. A couple of them are on the National Register of Historic Places. These majestic beauties tower over the city streets. And housed in one of them is a restaurant where owner and chef Julie Shaner prepares high-quality homemade food. It's a neighborhood go-to spot, just like this location was in the old days.
This building used to be a butcher shop with a few groceries, and it was a neighborhood favorite. They cut their own meat. You came in, you said, hey, Jim, I'll have a pound of this, and how is the lamb chops today? That kind of old school, that you just don't see anymore. And I tell you, I would love to have a place like that downtown again. The name of my restaurant is SoHo Kitchen and Bar. We're a family-owned restaurant. Our name comes from an eclectic neighborhood in New York City. I've been there on vacation a few times, where I used to work. Took me there a few times too on business. When I discovered what the history of our historic 4th District is in Sioux City is almost a mirror image of the Soho neighborhood in New York, I couldn't think of a better name. They were just twins.
With made-from-scratch dishes like chicken pot pie, bacon and egg cheeseburger, meatloaf, and bread pudding, choosing what you want to order might be the only difficult part of your visit.
Our menu is American cuisine, and I like to say it's built on America's favorites. We've got all of America's favorites, from casseroles to pizza to burgers, sandwiches, big salads like New York City, steaks, pasta, everything America eats, all on one menu, little bit of each.
Walking in, chicken chimney, buff chicken sandwich, dinner chicken pot pie, meatloaf griller, chicken chimney no tomato, and a lemon herb salmon.
Coming up with recipes is Test Kitchen, Test Kitchen, Test Kitchen. It's kind of a little popular blog that I'll put on Facebook every once in a while. So we just like to switch it up and give people a little bit different thing, but it's things that are not like out of their realm. It's something like, oh gosh, I remember having this at somebody else's house. I don't know how to cook it,
Julie says she loves the hustle and bustle of running a restaurant. She enjoys chipping in wherever she's needed.
I'm making some Reubens.
She also likes to talk to her customers to make sure everyone is having a good experience at Soho.
It's a lot of salad, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of salad with chicken and our black bean corn salsa, some chips.
With a background in banking and food service, Julie has a passion for making her restaurant and Sioux City thrive and grow. She's working hard to make a difference in her community.
Our most recent award, which just floored me, was Best Overall Restaurant in Siouxland. I think our area has 200 and something restaurants. And when I got that, seriously, I was in my office and somebody tagged something and said, congratulations, congratulations. And I'm like, oh, what's going on? And so, I opened it up and I looked, and seriously, I sat at my desk and got choked up and cried, because I'm not originally from Sioux City. I'm a Midwestern girl, lived in Lamar's and, transplanted here. And I want things to be good, and I want people to like our business and feel like, oh, they can bring anybody they want here whenever they want, and we're never gonna make them look bad. Because it's my job to make you look good.
SoHo Kitchen and Bar prove that looking good and tasting good can go hand in hand in Sioux City's beautiful historic 4th Street district.